You are part of whatever situation you find yourself in.
Wow.
Yes.
Yes.
You are part of whatever situation you find yourself. Stop blaming people and start addressing yourself. How am I able to overcome these challenges? Because you are part of it.
Good.
We are very unique. Unique in the sense your current life is directly based on your previous deeds.
Your current life?
Yes, it's directly based on your previous deed. I will explain.
Okay.
So see you pay near domi market here. Now who say woman bit tomatoes table or ton tomatoes in any sane mind will tell you say this tomatoes anya she in about 2 months ago no be DI. And I'm so I got tomatoes now I'm why tomatoes no be DI na be say and one free baby na tutor for my wife in adwuma. You can't be ton tomatoes. You know, it's about 2-3 months ago. No, obi dia tomatoes. And in Tina, I be good table so I water. Sounds na. Oko for moon and we don't so be 8 timmy tomatoes when we don't more now. Now could a sane mind that you know so we are about 2-3 months no. It be harvesting. So your life yanka say cry no. It is not out of the blue. Say if you obi catch out say your life is by chance, by an accident. Nipa ni nim di oka. You see, you have a very handsome face, but your face and my face, are two different.
Sure.
If you are going to see, Obi onimi ya babo mi din different, abo din different because you nimi ya pe.
No correct.
Obi a very tall, Obi a very short, Obi a very fair, Obi a very dark. Even about emotional side, Obi a very smart and very intelligent. Obi see so dumb. What I'm trying to say is that there are so many inequalities in life. Say a more quiet pa say God is giving you another chance. Say how you look, your circumstance, Fadia ba community and say become one. I'm sure say about 99% of the people in the world would like to add something to whatever they possess. It means even though we might appreciate the way we look, there are few things being young at the home. What does it? There are some people but some feel it's a too much.
Yeah.
Your bear man can pay. Yeah. So the question is, they intin nyame bo be ma na o ma wo say ni mu yi. They intin nyame bo oba say wo hwe mi na o ma wani mu a wo hwe. Wo ye oba wo na mabontu tumi shi oyonko ba bi hwe na nim mi no say e hu efo.
Yeah, no crime.
So as soon as your bear man you meet a guy out there so wow, this guy is so handsome. So the point is who is giving all these variations? Because you can't say akora bia innocent and me boy.
Yeah.
Nti akora be innocent there. Why say ye nyina ye innocent? Now manfo appear in such a wonderful environment and some people are appearing in very terrible critical situations. So one here obeka say about before na ye abronsa before na you have some reasons. I mean some excuses to be. But me dey say obi bia na oba asase we say the otie no e onyankopon na ye ne sa. Obia say we oba we obema we tuntum we koko we kese usa we whatever it is no enyame na aye osa. And we know based on the scripture say nyankopon ye partial. So one do be in time will be.
Yeah.
It means nyankopon we are neutral with everybody there. Then you should not be seen giving very good things to some people and bad things to some people. But see I no kese ye won krofo a omo be wo no na omo ba nani afira e bi mpa no ye ba fan ka ho.
Yeah.
Binzida.
ABSC.
Ntino yenzakra no ye innocent. Why would God, who is known to be omnipotent, omnipresent, and omniscient, allow a child now no ye innocent? Our boss as for the first time. Ebema akra no appear in such condition. Ne life my dear friend and DJ on experience be that. Why would God do that? See, there are many people who refuse to accept the existence of God because of these inequalities in life. So they end up becoming atheists. So nyangopon nyame bia ni ho. Do nyame ho pa de akra keto onu fini ma miyemu ba onu ye innocent no. Why will God allow akra no say ya wona ni afira bi ka me kon ye ba fine e bi mko ye autistic na no bansu obi ho ne ma menya wonu wi a. The life of that woman comes to an end because unni any freedom be abio. Akra no 10 years or one.
Yeah.
Until nobody say, why will God allow this? What can be said about Yango Pony Munyam dead in Tia? Nancy has to be up in Yango Pony Munyam. Mema hen or my Minion Saya. Or Makachi Yango Pomy person when Munyam dead you or me Bamti Mambaninfera.
Bianye.
Nobody would do that. So it means a situation will be ampe. But some kids are appearing in that condition. So is this a Yango Pono names Akrana Basana? The answer is God is all knowing, so he knew. And as a Yango Pono him, is he doesn't have power to change things? Who's back in this condition? No one says, God has the power to change all things. The next question is, Yango Pon, yes,
yeah.
Oh, 2 million. Is this a God is not very merciful? So the condition or changing. God is all merciful. So if God is all merciful, all knowing, and all powerful, why will He allow some kids to appear in such conditions? And no, and I was saying, "Na ubisa." Na sebi, so we nim di about some of these things in ni anymore. You begin to blame Satan. Na oh ya get to me be crafting ya mean sema koma bonsa.
Okay.
Oh ya before na ye. Oh abronsan for na ye. Okay, before ho abronsan for ho. Nyango ni za cry oba we innocent child. Onim se fie ba yi wo mpa. An cry wo mu fie no nyina an cry no nko ye ndide nti na nyame mai wo ye wo sa cry no fie o. When you begin to question yourself,
yeah,
then you come to the realization, say, there is nothing like by chance or mistake in this world. That God truly knows what He's doing. But He do all these things based on some criteria. And the criteria, and say, for you to see tomatoes being sold in the market, it means obedient tomatoes.
Correct.
So for you to appear in this condition, no, that is to say, you have done something that deserved. You've done something that makes you deserve such a situation. Situation be or won't be. It is good for you to blame somebody, have some excuses. But I'm telling you, say, you are part of whatever situation you find yourself in.
Wow.
Yes.
Yes.
You are part of whatever situation you find yourself. Stop blaming people and start addressing yourself. How am I able to overcome these challenges? Because you are part of it. Because right from the beginning, no, God will use a criteria, and one of the criteria and say you must deserve something before say you don't better the situation.
SOMPA FM.
You know, I can't banana ben or ye bonnet anti or deserve sir. In Bible, my can't in the Bible. I love quoting the Bible at times because at times it makes a lot of sense. But unfortunately, people who have been leading us in this Bible, no, I am no for my dream. For instance, as young for any years nam na obi oyare as young for ne try bibia omuntimunye sana yade. According to Bible, no, na nani afira o say na nani afira woni maame yam. It means say all ban na nani afira ye won blind. Nti Yesu sana yade nyina wie ye no. And as you have for no business, master, now cry we no. And a bonny be a wire. And I never mammy bonny be or ye, and papa bonny be or ye, and a man and a man whom about a situation in one. So you're breaking into 3. First question. A cry no and bonny be or ye, in a man and Freyana. Bible say I wouldn't in your friend. So the question is that Ben or Coco ye bonino. And yes, you have one refer to say in a bonny or ye, in a man in your friend. If you ask this question, that should tell you, say, a senior for no, yes, we are senior for no. No more believe say, I did be a better no. It must have some reactions. I mean, I did be a better must be the reaction of some action. Until you know, a crano, ya won't a near friend. Or near bonnet than a near friend. Then tea and a near friend, as you have to say, and a bonny be or ye in Tiana. And then we are used to life from Munina. Time and a jumo ye nyina Yesu taka asem bi so bi aya de a
yeah
asem ba kwa Yesu kan say masaya de bajo ko na mo men konko ye bibi say bio say de be ya ade asin say be den
be ba also.
So what it means is say ye bon ye yenti and ye de kwa amane asem. See, people are not paying attention. Yesu say masaya de ko men konko ye bibi ati say bi say de be ya they are saying say a mouse. So what it means is say your condition be a woman, especially the painful situation a woman, we caused it. Whether knowingly or unknowingly. We caused it.
SOMPA FM.
You know, obi ane de sha ase won nkura bi da be no cause ye. The how na udru ho we are now no. You see your science even the science of karma and the science of reincarnation.
The science of karma
and science of reincarnation.
Reincarnation.
Anybody who doesn't believe or accept the science of karma and the science of reincarnation will never be able to understand the inequalities in life.
Okay, so the science of karma no ye denga.
The science of karma ne say adie bi obedua bia no obetwa.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
You reap what you sow.
You will reap whatever you sow. So to every action there is opposite and equal reaction. That is the science of karma.
Okay.
And it is a wood tomatoes. You don't expect to go and harvest pineapple. So after 2-3 months and you go to the farm,
yeah. True. True.
Tomatoes in
True.
Okay. And then that's the law of karma.
The law of karma.
So I did be as answer now could do a pineapple, but on a pineapple so nobody. So whatever it is that you sow, no, that thing you reap.
So is that the one we term as the law of karma?
The law of karma, yes, that's it.
Karma.
The law of karma.
Karma.
That's
okay,
it.
That's fine. That's fine.
So karma no is K-A-R-M-A. I'm going to karma. Yes, karma.
Karma.
A Sanskrit word which means the cause and effect.
Effect.
Which means that every action will produce a result.
Sure.
So both good and bad produce a result.
Sure.
So anybody who doesn't understand or accept this law cannot understand or explain the inequalities in life. And then I'm saying the science of karma nature say ade bi obedua no obetwa. Nti yemfa aduade anya example. So obedua mako a acha 2-3 months na mako na ba. Okay, but obedua kashiwa it take be 5 years answer. Okay? And then no obi a even say young man wakotena sefi. And na odua koko. Nti e ba amafo tinkran o mobile life o moji o manyi no. On the akwadwuma na oye na wodo koko bi a be say 50 acres. And what tenemu as a young boy, don't best 20 years, so be a best 50-60 years. Now we decided so my main called Trankran, I'm so called rest in my break. The area or tenno. After soon and cocoa for no idea, I'd suck cocoa no or Mako Karineska be no more cotton council. Nti mamma in my Ulumaiti area now, Moons or Fumo or Yajumabiano. There be a man in the curb now, did you know enjoy? Yes, I go by on February now, oh yes, going. Okay. Munim time na no young na no your phone. You didn't see it.
You didn't see.
They say no when yesika old, you know. You might be wondering, na go yes come on na so why ya na go because making money ritualist be na because who so call adwuma there be otifie. But this guy seems to be enjoying too much. Sa na karma nete. Tomatoes no 2-3 months na ba cashew any cocoa no it take very long time.
A basso na
babum. And until I say the law of karma and say I did be a with the obi channel. At times only the sowing and the harvesting no distance no what pia. And metoyen na I enjoy the fruit of our labor. Devon say obi a senka hunamu aduade ne yeka dia odua ne kokoro ne cashew na time na nso no wuye no. Ne mabeba beden abe benefit from the toil no meboa. But in the science of this mysticism, one would do a cocoa na time na nso. I'm want me enjoy the fruit, you know. You have to come back and enjoy the fruit. That is the science of the reincarnation. Because what you can't do, and I am said you obedient, no, as a okay. But would you no time and some one try and free mukoi. You have to come back to harvest it.
Oh.
They are known as the science of reincarnation. Now, mysticism say those who doesn't believe or accept the science of karma and the science of reincarnation will not be able to understand or explain the inequalities in life. Because then you will be Obania will be there. See, I mean, okay, say, I will be US and UK and Germany, baby. I won't know. Nema, I go hospital. No. Unkura bucket be a near food no in your hospital. Unkura What the answer or antenatal book keke.
Yeah.
Who could do everything will be provided. And Yahoo Kravi no banner Yaman napkins, me a man that person, even the Omunia no must swap be Fakovi. By Oko can has slim beer. No, yes, the Munkwala young
grass and a crowd.
Baby, a man and Casateno. Hospital be anyhow. Even chip company could be no. Life be anyhow. Now, what can just say they no crossing shoe and saying your baby the knuckle. Can't cry you when I say, Bio, you have an international didn't because I didn't to motor so. They say June, July, and so to motor to Nabon Matchum. This is cliche actually. So somebody is going through all this. Now I could read maybe come by when say be am pakore and hunting mamma now what can you never to form. Katebia no because I make a to maybe no raseho. Near Jojo, what we know, or the phone. By the same time, somebody had taken birth over Germany where we are. Korea condition, Mpano Dasono, Belba, who you me and anything you cannot do. So you ask yourself, now, could me anyway on me innocent so called. How am I appear this time? Why is this one going through this difficulty and that one seems to be enjoying everything? Is this a young couple no names are crowd baby? I want to say it, Jnana. So if God is aware, why did He permit it? Yeah, about question also about Sikasem.
Yeah, about okay.
But I mean, when I'm explaining, I want to make sure that people really get the basics.
Sure.
And yes, I idea the beer was so people might not get it well.
Good.
You know, this is a foundation. So, based on your previous life, you know, you are very unique. Very unique. So, Akrana Yawona said, Akrasi Bibia Potona because Bibiano. There is still something unique about this child that's almost a uniqueness now. Obeting the
sure.
To be Biano was something very unique with him. Until we before so don't even think of money first. Think about what is compatible with your star.
Are they compatible with your star?
And if you're able to find that compatibility, you see, say, open your passion for what Jnana way. You wouldn't be thinking of money first. You'll be thinking of the service I will render. No? But automatically money is going to come. But if you are not compatible with what you're doing, you know, we're interested in the outcome and not the input.
Wow.
So first thing, you must look for what is compatible with your star. And you can only know this unless you meet somebody who understands the intricacies in some of these things. And yes, now head will be and also you be obey your mistake. See, obey your mistakes, because the person who know maybe be a completely different from over there. The one can say one uniqueness. No one who are there compatible with you obey a big mistake. But are there local hospitals are?
Yeah.
At times you can just go there like a visitor, go and sit down and look at what is happening there. Some of the nurses there will be very active and you see them say they are very happy doing the work.
Yeah.
Obi so tell no watching no pause, you know, to one phones in Ukraine say obi kwa yare the crowd me out. Only any passion for that job no. Yes, can na be American Ghana adwuma ni hantino nurse de onya ya abambe post you. Enunti and our adwuma. But obi any passion no, trust me. Say obi yare da ho na nipa kwa Jnana ho na gu no ho a. This person can clean up unfeely bad. So what I'm saying is say Jnana no ye very uniquely made. So try say obi hunu one kasa identity. So because I say if you misplace your priorities, you know, you misplace your identity. You must know who you are and then know what is compatible with your star. Start with that. If you are able to do anything that is have some kind of inclination to your star, 70% and we are successful.
Wow.
Yes.
Really?
70%.
70% success.
We are successful. Because it is something aligned to your star. Like I was saying, you know, no matter how bad your karma is, you know, there is something very unique about you. If you're able to identify that uniqueness, you know, will be able to propel you to success.
Hi, Charlie, Nana, in fact, you are mesmerizing me.
No, right? I'm just telling you the reality.
That's the reality, but it's getting me mesmerized.
Yeah.
Because,
who Zoom lion? Bola no boy.
Yeah, bola who
this man is damn rich.
Yeah.
As I say, who's a big private boy because now you feel better.
Yeah.
But because all chance, I know you're big man. He started in a very small way. He saw something that has some inclination to his star. So as I know, because we're going to be bit more kuku or the better money now, more university.
No, correct.
At him, yes, if he now will be air ton gold, will be ton. Then nani panel the car ye case don't mean fee. What I'm saying is you must first identify your identity. Secondly, identify what is compatible with your own identity. And how do you know that? You can meet somebody and nipa ne ma be 5, 6 things will be to me. One can say, you know, say you have love for this thing. You start it. Say idea aligned to your star. Maybe 70% and we are successful. You just have to put in the 30% effort to become the great person that you want to become.
Okay, I wish you for SOMPA 106.5 FM market. You are for God and country. You may be, and as I bring, so we're sharing on Facebook, and again, more muting or the various radio station. SOMPA 106.5 FM Accra, SOMPA 106.1 FM Thachman, and SOMPA 101.1 FM Takwa. But now the problem is how to know your star.
Yeah. So one thing is that we are ancient knowledge. Baby a chomuno, not your ancestors, no, they knew. But unfortunately, through all this organization here, United, I'm not no be a near here empire to tuning in a so person who will be a baby a choma your own crass, no. That I need name toothpaste.
Sure.
And in those one of a part, the way and say, body, you come from Kuta body, Diana. Body and Cassana, you didn't know, no, dear, walk, dear body, Diana Simono. Yan Tonchene. Yet the Tufi, Dianopa, Uchebia, now the Adiabo Boswa, Elbow Bosna de Chaco, Atum, Bidi, no Abo Boswa, and the picture was saying, Yana or actually about Kuruno, you say, Kazambano. There's no years away you could use. But I see a cost supermarket beer. Ubenya all the toothpaste or mudi charcoal na. So what I'm saying is signing dear best 120 years ago na na no use a na omun ko in science school beer o maka say research wo ho no. Ni nyina na wo de ntia no mo ancient knowledge. Say science developer do say so on person say be pra who is to charcoal a bohu ban. But 200 years ago, none of them yet our Banum school beer. So I'm saying, it's a number of beer. Now, one, that to tuning in a diabu, but still down named dear Engra. Only say it will be with only few people. And internal, I am a cat, say Abrofono.
Yeah,
they are making good use of natural gift and coupon de Amayina. And into no more kwan or more yaka no. Obeka some few weeks me pepe catch no say time abrofo ba anfofo no money asantefo akon ma omadi omusun kunim da.
Yeah.
Omone adanka yi for fantefo like that.
Me carry that story.
Yetimu defeat omo because we were powerful. But bisa ho ne Africa country ben no betimu ni Israel fa konto.
Baby enyi.
Because omo ma ha no ka say wo dey again be wono.
Baby.
Obesuma
drone na ba be sell.
So baby say ho say how is it possible say nkrofo years back, about 400 years ago, no, omo ba higher no omo kono. Yetimi di video omo. Now they say no, omo twi emu ten to the point say even. Now the one who the Israel for the year has well for no. Omo pager phone. I hear about omo have pager. And omo communication no.
Yeah.
There's a 5,000 something now blasted at the same time.
Pagers no.
Share. You see the warfare across the sea no. We be say for him. Asasi we mo no. You are different say. Real earth metals. Ade bi a ohun fefefe bi e no mo de. Say you gold your way, say you lithium num, uranium num sa no we nim nyina no na abrofo no di ko nim dentem. Hwe you be a friend say chip. Enye sim chip yi bi o. Sa chip ya o say AI technology, chip na de be ye, ne mobile phone, smartphone yo mo de chip na nyina no real earth metals no mo de. Ndi abrofo no omo take advantage of the gift and nature they are more. Even here Africa component one more. Tombe dini na no mo de ko mukrum. Last mba me mistake bi. I say me kana mo for say menye papa ye. O ka say me can say yes country bi omo uranium no omo nya just 2 billion but omo nya 18 billion no.
Yeah.
Because say Burkina Faso so when I checked a different country.
All right.
Anya Burkina Faso so bi tie me that time na in fact mistake am here anya Burkina Faso a different country. So all the point I'm trying to raise here and say all these earth metals in Africa, but we are not taking advantage of them. Ebia say nimdeɛ nkasa a yɛde bu wiase ma nipa die no. Nimdeɛ nyɛ na ha na nyina wɔ ne yato ne nyina agu. Minim sɛ wo ba bia ofiri aba yɛ wakura ase no.
Yeah.
Said that time na yɛ wo akora wo fia. Maame bi ne be wura da mu akɔgye akora na wo.
Okay pa.
Onye nurse nye doctor ni.
Sure.
Obeji da wo ati de maame no beji obi a wo aje twa akora na funu bibia anya akora no. No mu ko school da. E nimdie. And other part so be wo fi obewu. What I'm trying to say is nimdie nkasa na wa Africa ha no. Ya tu ni nyina de agu. Because anything say wo kotena wiram ba bi na obi bia ni ho beboa wa wo du nyansa be sua bibi. Ba wo ba bi na obi ye bibia de ma wa. You don't think anymore.
Now, I didn't go Facebook. Now, I brought to you sending messages here repeatedly.
Okay.
Also, my name is Nketia Kwame Michael. I want to know the work that would help me in life. I was born on Saturday, but I don't know the exact date. Can you please help me? Give me his number. Please, I'm watching.
We are betting me the number and many pan, but the whole point and say, a very good question, Ubisano.
Yeah.
I want the embassy see we are just coming there.
Okay.
Until Ubisa the crime bench and I'll be foul bit to me who some of these things.
Yeah.
Because in DNA what gradually in our system. But there are so few people that they have access to this information. They make sure say Obi Biana any would deal in the omunimo. You know. Say adwuma kra na yese ye fa nkrofo wa adwuma no mu a ye make sure say bia make say bia marketing manager e wo SOMPA ha
yeah
CEO ne board of directors no obon say bia o mo da to newspaper so ye pe marketing manager e wo SOMPA amanfo bebrebe ne de o applications beba nsa in application no wo mu a obehu din date of birth no bia wo. That's the first thing they will look for. Because based on your destiny no, based on your star no, as I said, you are able to become a marketing manager.
A marketing manager.
They are all the CV no more. You better sort out amount for first or more date of birth and a corresponding to a Juma marketing manager.
Oh, okay.
Yes. The almost sorting now we are. Then now you better call a credential to say the panel. Maybe a week with PhD, maybe a week with degree, week with a master's. But the first thing now on be consider the star base. Anything that will be our ha, mom will be more heavy, they make it. Abrochate will be what?
Yeah.
The second Nipano or IPA, you better to her. The hour, you better, the minute you better a day, you better a year, you better a month. Because they want to know the person. The China being BBC about they know the person they are dealing with. Okay, but unfortunately, you have yes, I said it about to go you down. The Danny Bupa, Asamaba.
No crepa.
Barbara for the dear, Miss Obi a word bruchly. Oh, quack or bano. As a wood dear on the Batacrano. Say I a chance and now, che. That's my worry. No, I will say, oh, as a wood dear or the Bamacrano, Dino. To one near regular be until Chinabun to Munchino. Second, I have a football. Yes, on 17. I call my mother about 45 years. I see you 17. I'm planning to make a passport to the man who you see. Into the hair, hand boy, 3 4 years, you are going in and I'm going. Only Asian the ball, born on the or no more bastard as you know, Mombo. Some is a conform with no more. Because then feeling is a woman I make a fear. Yeah, you should know, you said read it. But your America has a possible to make you date of birth. No, you can't do that because that very day I want information in the ecosystem. No, but also the awa no, you don't continue to be about 2-3 months. No, now my man is about your passport. That's when you have to go there. Say, you have your birth certificate. To course, me ban me wono. We are say no, travel 10 years ago. So Abrofono, they start building their nation like this.
Okay,
because they human resource and the people you are dealing with. You know, say my best of 4 here, and now Krabe say 10. I mean, I will be almost 67 years. What you hold in our young crana? Obons and Crano be an equal to Crano. Obons will be an idiot. Omonko school could say be our fear no master or mobile. But what Nabons will be a leader? A man Crano Motono. The Baku, the way of conduct, the Bibiano, a co leader. Baku said, you'll never be able to say, or go be happy. I probably need the honor a charitable person. Obisu, how now I'm watching, I said, the team didn't. Nature. So the white, the Western world, they know these things, and because of many women, and I'm going to pick up some of these things. Okay, Nti, you must find somebody who will be able to identify this for you. When you are there, also for here, so uncle Tenas and Koya Quanchene, now uncle your prophecy from Mount a science and Yanko Pond at all. So people must know this.
Then I remember Kwama, watch Rebimu, or more very lucky, I'll bet me a friend, but you made it also. Maybe I told Debbie. Nana, dear, said, Nana, messages in there overwhelming. Messages in there very overwhelming.
But before you back over there, we can even continue maybe next week.
Sure,
that's the time we want because the foundation.
Next week you bet me have to ask.
A man for anti foundation, I say they might not see the importance of say what I say. No sign. I say Juma we and people might not even get it.
Okay, Nana, can you permit me, Mami, call Facebook? Nana Jnana Ayebiafo is an ancient teacher whom God has sent in our generation to teach us life, to teach us the reality of life. This one also says that Nana Ayebiafo Jnana is the leader of transformation 108 foundation. So the person is preaching that we should follow you people. Donko Isaac says that means our parents disappointed some of us for not keeping our date of birth.
Yes. One of the big problems is this part of the world. You date now. Education
messages in the doors. Grab wisdom here for free. Free of charge.
You don't go to a pastor or software patcho Bombay Mama Juma. The first thing is say, ask yourself, say, is it what you're supposed to do? Okay? But unfortunately, you're Bombay, but we are not even asking ourselves, say, Juma, and the Juma says, do I make some way? Because you follow the cloud. Do we
are successful.
No, one can you must find something very unique with you. Then I make us say based on your date, time I wo, day na ya wo, bosomi na ya wo, mune afi ya wo munu, echire nipa ko a wo ye. Na no so be chire wo, enya adwuma nko a wo, echire unipa su. Echire wo ya desem. Echire se de wo nem kofo relate.
Wow.
Echire se wo be nya che wo nyinche all this information nyina no abo no boa. I'm telling you.
So
me say every information about you is already encased in a special science just for you. Anything as of for do na no the woman so be aba me China waka bi go say me e bomb pie nyame timi yi bi kire yen but no maybe we are very unnecessary to go and waste the time of God. A science you should be able to learn as a leader. You'll be able to guide the people. I said you'll be me China say Daddy, but you person me share adwuma se then I say me ya. Enya afia me say me nko ye fast na me nko ti yankopon ni masem.
Yeah.
Abisa within the saying, we dey to better the saying. Then I can just see say wo no adwuma we ni na betimi aye. Wo betimi be adwuma be say 5. Emu bia wo ya wo betimi aye then I successful. I don't need to go and waste God's time because yankopon di ni pa na ba no information be e fa no bia say phone yi. If you go ba no be so na manu adam.
Yeah.
So obibia no manual can ho. So get the manual and you'll be able to guide the person properly. Okay, many a times as of for omodeje awade no. Oba ne be mani nya kwa omo so omo yo omo counseling. Da bia ye counsel nkromo so awade ne gu. Dentia because the two persons number one they are not compatible in the first place. To ba counsel omo kokko to Bible tifi enyina. So what I'm saying is nimdie we no every leader must learn this kind of knowledge, Now when the movement leading crofo. So when it comes to a Juma very important because I did at the NSU table so it's so important. But there's almost any panel when a bit me abuano in life. And yet will be any bin about quiet. Because would do be a Jumachi will be a big mistake. One can find out what I will be to me based on your star. And no check me check my star. I am a natural consultant.
Wow.
Yes. So, meet me at Tennessee and I do best at 10 p.m. Meet me at Tennessee when you pass my dear chairman about 5. Men sorry like that for the whole hours.
Wow, really?
I get to be a micro magic be a medaya. I'm telling you, say it is my passion.
Idea when it jam.
And my passion, no, it is with me. Intimate me again. I'm not for mobile. Was a metanasi be an best at 10, 11, 12. Metanasi ama the action. I thought I bought a number 5. Number as a tell. Me ya Jumanano. There's a lady that came to me. Oh, here on Nana, bear last part 1. You know what? Tell me watch it. Around there, 3, 4. Obama said, I have been thinking, say, have you eaten?
SOMPA.
I said, no. I said, one so because I have been here. I'm not one of my I know be able to best 5 hours and no complaining about check. I'm saying on some things I don't want and I do what I have to understand. Now I'm saying no, I don't feel like eating. No, I'm okay. I say me to na me dream. The point is say it is my passion and it's part of my style. You know when I'm doing this, you know, me feel say my bread. Doctor Nia I na juma say Nyankopon ba o me na juma no. Anajo on na yere na dampa so 1 a.m. na ye friend say emergency aba.
Aba sorry aba.
Nkata nani. Nyangeta sika oba beje na ye ne de o. Ontimu nkata nani say obi yare for dampa so na o twe no na yere obi tum ni kazi akodi pa no. But the onu sika na o pe no e. O the phone better silence kora mamenyo no ngwa na ye ni pa wu na ye de. What I'm saying is that sade be your passion e bonti obi bia na o tie ye no. Maybe and that time no permit because you are mantem there. Subsequently, no me buy I say be say benya bra bia be 1 hour no.
Yeah.
People will call, they give the date of birth no. Na am mo djuma bia be say 4-5 days kind of djuma wo betimi aye based on the star. Say bia wo na aye panyina bia life no wash bi agu a o mana eba no. Try to get this information and guide them. Obi wa ne ba e school a o hwe djuma e trend ya na sika wo mu a o say me ba ko ye bi. Na wo pushi akra na ko school mu. Obewie no on fa nye hwe ba se wo hu akwa ne da achi ade obetimi aye na wo guide no properly a e bi mpa na se adwuma na opese koye no wadwen sika bi anim ba e ho na nipa ne be den o de bedi. So what I'm saying is that se wo ye obi a wonyi bebrebe a obetimi a change no mu a find out adwuma ben na obetimi aye wo de baga na yamamu mu a there were so many of them maybe on more parliament. Being a leader is not even part of their destiny. But once again, no you're a politician, now you're a leader, we have access to many things. Because of that, they need to know to or grab. But somebody who is a real leader or the person is taking of the people, not himself. I didn't know. I do maybe be no for people. The American say, okay, last but because there were 4 arms. I know the way we are say pretty.
Sure.
You the leaders are from the Brahmanes. They are the head of the body. You are the Kshatriyas, they are the arms of the body for protection. You are the Vasyas, and then you are the mercantile class, the business class. That is the stomach, they feed the body. Then we have the laborers, the Sudras, they are the Lexa, and then an anti-Yajuma. So the whole material universe is identified with a body like ours. Onamwa, and you would and a guide. Will be any thing Yajuma, no, didn't pass any mobility and make any wedding life. Because the head guides you. So the head of society, is the first class that their duty is to give advice, is to counsel people, to coach people, so that you make me live my life properly. Then the second class of society, are the Kshatriyas. They are the administrators, the politicians, the chiefs, the kings, the MPs, and omona hand. And no for protection and for administration. Then the stomach is the business class, and then the mercantile class, and then the farmers. Omon the feed the body, Then the legs and sudra. Until even say yes, a little leader, sir. If you're able to identify this value, leader be a man, I'm trying to buy be a make no sudra. As some call you be no obey president, and I said you obey as a minister. I don't obey you. Only any idea how to lead people. So yes, we should all come to the realization say better and say then a bird juma say yeah bit me a boy. Yempe juma bit me yeah, it goes with our star. And so oh ye be no person who say well juma oh ye na your star who say it's not about the money in your juma. Even though sika no here there but who say oh passion.
You have passion for the job.
What you are doing. I say sika ko unu kura no kura so tia. Ni ja na easy for you because we are so much concerned. We are so passionate when it comes to that. That should tell you say it is aligned to your star. But they making as a kura no be person be ya there no ade kwa wadi kura na ha say menye ba bi na mekuntina mete ya. Menye ba bi a mesora ko sisi ya means you juma. Yes, because your baby might be to me about month for date of birth. Me, your mom will be at 3-4 different kind of professional bit me. But they will tell me a tea. Transiting what Juma way. How do you feel for Jumano? I see a push once and a while. Is this something you have passion for? Because nature end intro. Nature I cannot correct. Into whom Juma way now passion for Jumana. I am telling you, say I will start no. Just do it. You will be successful. But what Juma way no pet SOMPA teacher now will teach now way and we teach and we teaching no. Because I will go no book of time around so say I'm for now and can you who you bufu say who you am saying you Juma no to me free ho. To whom the free ho. They are telling say you must have passion for the work you do. Until ya mu tie say na mo no ready wo ya Juma no. O person who say wo Juma find out. Then later, and so we beat me as because with the date of birth, and we're able to tell you kind of a Juma bit my Obia or bears 5, 6 up to bears 10 different kind of job or bit me. Which you sumo back one success will be there. And yes, I there. Only Namusa, gonna be you.
But Nana, mystically, no so no. I before to me a change you be destiny.
Yeah, why not? They omit my change your destiny. Now, before somebody change your destiny, means that also in your past life you did something, so your destiny must be changed. That's serious, eh? This world is so sophisticated and complicated. Say, be a best just imagine. See, you know, when car be a two. Say, you can't be a two and can hire a cook master. Nipet no be for water region by, will be for not, will be for her, will be for in a gum. You gum na, you could do come a cat, tam, no be you. Why didn't I say? Because I can't crash on. A branch be drew when I will be dimming a him. When I the last person, I will book who said didn't know about press and one Timoha. Say one can't have a room. Again, Wako. You could do come team. To be you. So we say why? What I say by chance? Yes, death is very painful. Accidentally is very painful. But trust me, nature gathered all the people because it's a time for them to live. No money. I find it's a collective karma. All of you time assunti mun kona mun contem. They make your own. It must sound to be kind of funny, something, but that's serious. Nature doesn't make a mistake. Until the sitting in everything is organized. Everything is working so perfectly. So they make sure when they say Abraboni is so complicated. See, upia bonteha. Now will be a bonfutogu and a be a bonsogu. Or that's a moon banner. No, only the beggar. No, see, Massa Wayne, when the cake Mohana will begin a hano. Well, you'll be any mono. No, I'll bow any so. The possibility of better reply, no, you're best in 90%.
SOMPA FM.
But I mean, can be vinci. When I would get on any panel bones or goose or not, I'll be trouble sumono. So you'll be a understanding reincarnation and karma. You will be someone say, me kwanam se dem na ba na sente me tu ni ka begina kwan ho at the same time kai tu ma bonso gumi ho awa bonso gumi na ye mistake na me kan wasan ba bo maso maka ho why so what me follow the trend then to your previous life obonso any power we no one was some assignment to be in your previous life and this lifetime no is all responded to something you did in the previous life ntini pa ne ba yawo na ka say akoya bo maso mpa o ade me yawo enya be onko enya be onko. You end the karma there. But also can say, hey, na me na boma sumza no na wo beti bi ahua. Na we giga no so apa na sumu a. You sow another seed to prolong the karmic reactions. Until the American just say, Abrabon the way atie no very complicated. No me is until some of us no. Because say me obi am ade na enye ade very unfavorable to me. Because okay, somebody is looking at this scenario. No, was even though very unfavorable to me. Is there anything I met me? I am many panel or him and was be a film that Chinabino. So, no cause a situation more. Obegina de me and so now one active properly. Dear Metaka said, at times doing a car quine. Now, when him one will be cross so quine, you can make a no or your phone or your call phone or so.
Yeah,
the one having come ready for drew on a can of bono pain. And then it shake a quine so when him who are nipping woo. When I would how I sing, I'm telling you throughout your life. Bribia obegina car can say we'll check out time mono. So I see now who that day no.
About poppy up.
Obe hunu.
No cray.
So for you to learn to become very cautious when you are crossing the road, nature have to take somebody's life.
So
so when something happens to you, nature person also acted properly among folks you should be humble and learn, and then let people learn from you.
Now I ever say, but I'm for date of birth.
Because 5 about that.
Yeah, 5 about until next week.
Next week I'll be around.
Yeah, next week. Nana will be around. So Nana will take care of you. Yeah. But Nana, in fact, today you have walked us through some good lessons, and we must say that very, very grateful for the why Eddie and we want to say
there's something that's trending. Now me say baby can be about forecast. Every year be around me be me say
that me we be ha nka mebo
and me no abo me ka say we na abo
me da say
enti me no on the 3rd January na me every year no me be see any for the whole year. So this year forecast no na wo mu say I think number 25 or 35 na wo mu say on say Elon Musk and President Trump the way omo tie omo close be at that time na omo nyam fa ni say go nya to kra on the 3rd January stars and can say there will be a fallout between Donald Trump
and Elon Musk.
And Elon Musk are on very big enemies. So from 20th but the way omo very close, the way omo tie no, we say the same. But because the star is seeing it, one has to say Elon Musk say President Trump impeach no. I'm telling you. Also mo impeach no President Trump say the contractor or ne America ba won be training them. Because the star says something and it must happen. The meaning I don't bet me about my man for TR. It's something I said it on the 3rd January.
All right. So let me just do this play.
And Elon Musk will have a fallout. Do you understand? There's going to be some friction between two of them. So from the beginning, everything will look cool, everything will look nice. But starts and say there will be a fallout along the way. The reason is that Elon Musk might not have his independence to do what he wishes. Not necessarily in 2025, but within the presidency of President Trump. So from now, from 2025, from 20th January, all the way before the term, there's going to be a fallout between two of them. Because Elon Musk will be open freedom. Trump might not give him that full freedom, no. So they might have some kind of fallout, according to the stars.
Hey, Nana. This is so serious.
The stars no can be the see, when I say stars, the stars knows everything. Until the more I pay attention to the stars and you take advice from it, a guide. The second thing I want to say is, Obama run about to be a way to the honor. Atomic down hill, so say atomic hills down. We run about to be all. The tell you hopa. Nipakwana all managing as a man of Penal Bonabaso.
Wow.
So we drew now share and non meaning the Ghana you run about to be at sir. Kalama Ghana at down so in a way. Or my dear grass will come out. There be able to be any panel more praho or more papa. And it when I how we look so nice, It is somebody who is managing the place. So I think the government should find whoever is managing the atomic hills run about to nipa no managing. Now on for other run about to inside. So even you can say the manner, you have a man because we dear green carpet grass and come and attend be any chat. And then you're more fountain be how it looks so nice.
So nice. Yeah.
I said me bar me name Bacro, me bona basso. So in case I mind the Ekaya, such people no. Yemfa no man show monsa. Who you run about to be because in the doom. Tan. You call brochure, you could pictures of where any pan here any serious machinery be as a bay, only nipa munimi and sembia. Or met me a dear, a didn't so Google so manager. That's it, Nama Krumu, Tianet. Yantia say, baby and Niane flowers a bono. A boy any paya pomuding. Until I buy 8 years make Kenya or mon penny per crona or yes, I. Run about to Mojumano. Na yemfa ada run about say wo ebi ankran ha na ebi go make an area bi function is no manage. Such people no they are not very many in the society. Kakra bi ntino yensha omun kran say the be ya omo passion omo de yesa no. We don't kill that fire na ewo mu omo de adwuma de abo man. Thank you. Your last word, the person make.
Yeah, now you are free at liberty.
Baby, I'm young, cause no.
Sure.
And then there's almost communal labor. It's like I'm sending videos to me the mom. Many hot, but unfortunately it's too late. Not many hot. But when you pay Okrumo Moye Juma. Until me pee no, Omuguso Moye Juma now, Mudru main road now, or Mutu Bia grass or Hunyan to no Mutu chat at road. Until almost said on my henny. Edru wana pe NOC. 10 bia not ISA. Until drew on who's or more door, more clean one, no sifini came. And a common musicas or moniana or monfantun su nomonum. Until another my henny 80 SOMPA and crying. Nana the monsieur uncle saw him and I better was me pee and I catch them and say, oh, Jnana, and no more Kasai, Echo Moon Kunai. And I was saying, easy come almost or monfantun su na or munina because of Majuma Moyen.
Wow,
that's a pa. Don't mind him, you say, the drive on one casa. Echo Mohoni or Mokudim Komoye, you scam almost say. 10 bi ota hu so mo yedwuma okwan ho nti no o da o ma se o mo boa ama Ghana atime ekran na wotie mi a na mada wasaka se mrante na kan kire me se wagina ache o musika nti o mo de wase da fa me se me mfa mo ndi mi bo mi wase ka se me da se wo hye mrante ni kura nya me sho bebre na
yo na edwuma be na na o mo ye
ene cleaning omo do kwan no se ye dua grass obi nkumi ni fa nyina ndi o machine bi a ye di twa ene ba bi so ha nbia na se branches no omo trentre ne oda nti ni pa egu kuro mu nyagro mu ye adwuma fa no pa be se 6 me no mo kasa na bo be se 10 so na no mu so ye adwuma no mu nyampon by now the omo pon omo ye adwuma kan ma kwan ho ba bia aye neat nti ogina ye omo musika sa na hye mi nkran because panyisa na enyese bi osoma na driver se fasika komo ho mu
be ono
aba encourage omo se madwuma mo ye meta hu setem bia no mo ye ayi wo ha nti me da mase na wase ayi ne botom sika se mo nyina mo mfa ntonsuo no ma feel say ya dey a deserve say
highly honored
me da na se bibi sa akoso nti nyame enhyɛ na baby no man nkwate nti ma nyansa na de oye bia no ntimi nkoso na onye
na de bia o look fresh ba o me ya dia da odi aka be di bi pa because de bia look very good, very handsome, very fresh.
Yeah, he has any party to no nyangu ya na odidi na on stress ho bebre ba.
Yeah,
that's good.
Na ka edidi ya I don't have problem you edidi ni edidi ben
Kasa didi I say I mean your school science kakra I say odi an na say balanced
6 food
you say balanced diet but now no nam the way chemicals does you nua nem ntino so betimi a na wa cut it down oil salt sugar and na mono
ade eden kwa
sa no man area ni nyina no obi bia na obe indulge in them now when you're very moderate no we den from best 45 years going no ya there potom betimi about life
enchene
too much salt, too much sugar,
and a sichiri anwa
oil and namankasa
and nam cocoa. Tiabe better so berry fish. Yeah,
fish far better. Fish far better as compared to say obedi mojanam. Especially teprako nam no sa nantwinam no those you know. Na ya de maneso.
Okay.
To be honest with you no obi bia na wapom din hia wo pa no. Obetimi a katewo nam say untimo nye vegetarian na obetimi a di fish okay say seafood no
yeah
but say opese we live strong pa na yade basa no ma wo so a say na me kan no salt chene after sugar
and a sichiri
oil anwa duan na anwa bebe
anwa
say jong food na ma na okoto pizza and say no nyina bebe no nyina nye very good.
Wow.
Ubenya ya duane nkasa wo fi enkwan aduane we do more vegetables, more fruits onum so bebrebe no why exercise all the time. When you're 70 years if now nkasa 50 years people will believe it.
Wow.
Yes, because apomden no na mani pa eluku whatever it here. Na make what did it chon no wada. Aduane odi oil nko an wase anum bia de agusu twem.
Nana. Now I know about him anymore.
No, I can't be able to come.
Serious what I've heard.
You can make a big more you become a camera all you go so. Oil now would you know. I'm interested in Vedic knowledge.
Yeah.
It's a Vedic knowledge, ancient knowledge.
Vedic knowledge.
Yeah.
Ancient knowledge.
So who did you? You're quite fast for you did. Yes, see, and go meal be no, 4 different kind of food should be there. I think it's one that is chewed, one that is licked, one that is swallowed, and 4 different kind of food. Me back on. The first thing is the idea I hot. Idea mu check my cook room.
And the first one I was
first thing because the thing say yes, system the way it's always closed.
SOMPA FM.
It opened the valves for it to accept everything. And idea hot say chili kakra wo mu eboa digestion.
Chili ni moko.
Eboa digestion. The way the be no. Now what take something sweet. So when sweet then it closes for digestion to start taking place. You know, and you're good is our best say I know my day from answer. What did he? We did the until Asia. The mama what China say, mama what to say those Asia countries, you know. Almost every be able to say Mako green. No?
Yeah.
As the actually be near Nataso. The way we find out what they can read a clear answer. And then Abuama system not be to accept food. Do the BBA the last thing you take in a sweet because take a sweet here it closes the valve for digestion to take place. And said the mechano nam baby no you need because it take time and then I digest it.
Wow.
Yeah. And nam se procurator Sadi when is name to say no be clear and some Sadi now my price in a woody. Who be cool. Oh, to see and say you knew anything in a chemicals need too much. It is vegetarians are no very safe. Now be I was saying didn't nam can only their life and we are at risk at any time. So I suggest that people should take more fruits, more vegetables, take more rest, do some exercise, cut down your red meat intake. We understand. See, Yanko Pondi or do be in Fiamano.
Yeah.
Who bet made 50 years. Now why are rather them who bet 20 years and then we were at a day of 70. Yamima 70 years, you be Didians, will be Dino Yum.
What can I
seriously say, Ufi made a man, own tassel. But 20 years older them now, oh, battle sickness. Because when the DA want to take care of Ufi in the oh, Baba Brett. You know, who take care of yourself, especially eat well, and also, baby, environment are too much drama or no, don't stay there. Baby, or what be a gossip, on stress, ten be a buffoon to Quantopano, and no emotionally quientem. You know, in a relationship, be a munatem be a drama, there be a benyaso as a mass of problem of every time, man. Such environment to get very, very healthy for your emotional health. You stay away from stress, you stay away from dramatic scenes. Don't take too much red meat, too much salt, too much sugar, take more water, exercise. Trust me, you will live 70, 80 years and you'll still be strong moving around.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow. We have free advice from Nana Jnana. Nana Ebeda Wasepa. Yeah, 536 year, you fufu be a boy. We are Waji club, you knew back when they are so. Not
for the D. The point is, say, according to the same verdict, you know, I have that say, Ube to me after 6 p.m. Don't eat.
After 6 p.m.
Yes.
And
the do be the say be very light. The reason is say digestion needs heat. It say we are not kokota. Now we idea mu dry. It take time and sana digest it. Do be to say a check by 6 p.m. no. Now what take you heavy meal. Okay. What take you heavy meal? And about warm my digestion take it be about 2, 3, 4 hours and sana wa hoda. Now make a be free I go do fi base 8. Could do 8 near awful food, yes, you have Fu said it puts him catinizio. And I want to tell you, dear William, we all will be a video gusso. And I'm so I bring to him grant.
Baby, won't do a
who say here? But we are to us, there's a 5, 6, 7 years, 10 years. Now, your dear be and is over to me about Trano. Now, so, especially Mema, your dear, I find is prostrate. I will be out.
Yeah.
Will you be our show? Did you year? Trust me, say, open your prostrate in them. The reason is say, you mean and gas you know. I want to do a woman in is dying off because almost everything is chemicalized.
Sure.
Dear chemical. Until Guardian will be dinner mouse system, no gradually, no. So I want any who you. The one down also on your conscious, no one your circumspect in regards to what you would dear. To say diabetes, no name.
hypertension, stroke.
Hypertension, no, easily. No, because I do consultation with people. No, at times, we share a month for life, we go through. Young guys, whether be hepatitis B or kidney issue, or serious. Don't know
Lifestyle.
I'm telling you, a lifestyle. Especially in Sunday, you know, too much of it, and people should cut it down. In Sunday, baby, so you must cut it down. And a nam baby, na attack program. Be sure nam amount for it more because na you. You bear 10. Na kiba be na amount for we say. Nam ya dey na more talk more to go body muzano. That's serious. And you know, because I attend to people, a lot of people, no?
Yeah.
Yeah, they say pa every say pa a kidney issue.
Kidney?
Is serious. I thought be bad 30 years. Nipa no kidney issue. Be bad 25 years, 40 years or kidney. But see, idea when cat ten will be over 18 years or begin na wun na idea we. Na young guys. And it's because say too much sex, too much alcohol, too much meat.
Too much sex.
Yeah. When you add too much sex to some of these things, and gradually nobody approaches it here. You see, what I'm trying to say is that Nyankopon, your life is a gift by nature. It is our responsibility to make sure that we take care of it. When you say taking care of yourself, because this is a gift that has been given to you by the Almighty Lord. It is your duty to make sure that we know okay. Now what we assume. So we say muna na body ni ade bamu a. Eno kwanya ko be judge wo ho because like say one more be ade say ade so mame. Na ni ba na wan hwe ni ye no you be angry. So we ye gift nyame dey mind say ye ban so no. Ye mo ho ban by eating well, by taking good care of it. Say the baby nya ho ni atima asum nyankopon. Just imagine so obi a wo ye fun ye oyana. Wanu madura na nko be no so bomba ye bra. So if your body is not taken care of, even yamasum kra be difficult. Nti yeah, side na dey aduane adidie is very important. Very, very crucial because you are what you eat. Ade bi ekọ mu na ye wo. Nti when you're careful about what you eat, trust me, say, all to top problems in our mouth.
Nana, thank you very much for the education. Yeah, you turn beer after 6. Oh, Nana, how can I send you? Oh, Nana.
See, let me tell you one thing. Some of these things, you know, when you become addicted to it, now try to ujaya.
Yeah.
A bit more about your day. So, for instance, they be a maker, you'll be every day be on be a 3. Now, no, listen to this also. Really? Then I think it's not so healthy for me. So instead of 3, no, may take it 2. Do you take it 2 now? Be 3, 4, 5 years or so. I don't know. I'm 1. Now why in 1? It will more. I be do by busa. I don't know. I'm 1.5. So we are say gradually, no.
Yeah.
We be tini jai. Now see, we are tini jai. I give you only be 3 weeks. You go back.
Wow.
In jai, yes, sir. At the bonnet house, you must give time. Because this our body now has been created, say it can adapt to any environment gradually. Anything I go in Korea say, oh, driver for some toilet be one, public toilet one. Okra will take care anymore. What to me? Okay,
no correct.
Because it how bon.
But one more thing, China.
No bit to why? How did he? On take. You know the reason why?
Why?
Our body is said that it is able to adapt to any environment that you're better associated with for a longer time. Obia. I didn't know to open to Jibia in Jana Precope. So I'm not so ya debia in Yana Precope. You gradually move towards that thing, and the body will gradually adapt to that. The better by being any news will be fine.
Nana, thank you very much. You've really educated us this afternoon right here